Dear students, today we are going to study the various types of testing. Testing means checking a code against various aspects. Like, is it a testing of a small segment, or is it the testing of the entire software, or what kind of approach I'm using? Is it a faulty method, or is it a method where I'm putting too much of force in order to test its limitations? All these comes across as the different types of testing. First one is unit testing. It focuses on verification effort of small things of software design, the smallest component or module. It focuses on the internal processing logic, data structures within the boundaries of the component. This type of testing can be conducted in parallel for multiple components, since it is the testing of the smallest unit or the smallest code. The second type of testing is integration testing. It is a systematic technique for constructing the software architecture while at the same time conducting tests to uncover errors associated with the interfacing. Suppose I have two units, Unit A and Unit B. Both the units were unit tested earlier and were error-free, while the use of data structure in both the units were different for the same element. For example, if there was an interface called as camera in both the segments, but in Unit A it is camera 1 and in Unit B it is camera 2. When I combine the two units, the data flow will give me an error because it shows me two different cameras for the same individual unit. That is how integration testing will uncover errors when clustering or combining of units take place. The objective is to take unit tested components and build a program structure that has been dictated by design. So basically, I'm testing the architecture and design here. Regression testing is one of the integration testing types. Here, it is the re-execution of some subset of tests that have already been conducted to ensure that changes have not been propagated, causing unintended side effects. If there is a change in the requirement, I will have to change the code. So small changes made in the code should not be propagated. That is what I'm checking in the regression testing. Validation testing. It begins at the culmination of integration testing. When individual components have been exercised, the software is completely assembled as a package and interfacing errors have been uncovered and corrected. Here we are checking for the requirement, as in a software is tested against the requirement for which it has been designed. System testing, here the entire system is being completely integrated and testing. That is all about types of testing. Thank you.